Hey everyone, welcome back to FixGenie. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to clear the cache on your Lenovo laptop. Option 1. First, click on the search bar and type Disk Cleanup. Open the Disk Cleanup app. If you're asked to choose a drive, select the C drive and click OK. Once the scan is complete, check the boxes for the files you want to remove, such as temporary files, thumbnails, and recycle bin. Then click Clean Up System Files. Your laptop will scan again for more files. When the disk cleanup window appears again, check the boxes once more. Click OK, then click Delete Files to confirm. Wait for Windows to finish removing the cache files. Option 2. Now press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %temp% and press Enter. The temporary files folder will open. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the files. Then click on Delete. If some files can't be deleted because they're currently in use, simply click Skip. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache on your Lenovo laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new Lenovo laptop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.